Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Marion County until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Speedway, or near Indianapolis, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Lawrence, Beech Grove, Speedway, Southport, Cumberland, Meridian Hills, Warren Park, Holmcroft, Rocky Ripple, Williams Creek, Windale, Spring Hill, Crow's Nest, North Crow's Nest, Monument Circle, Eagle Creek Reservoir, Indiana State Fairgrounds, and Broad Ripple. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 104 and 123. Interstate 69 near mile marker 200. Interstate 70 between mile markers 77 and 93. Interstate 74 between mile markers 93 and 95. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Marion, Indiana. National Weather Service in Indianapolis has